can
Game over. The drill just went off. That's a tsunami drill.
The first one's the tsunami one. I think the second one is the bomb. And I think they say that when that goes, we have like 15 minutes before.
It is the air raid and the tsunami drill though.
You never seen it before. You never seen bald hair before in your life. Oh my god, so sad.
You look like the monster from the Monster Incorporation. Yeah, bro. Wow, look good.
It's gonna go back.
He cut it. He shaved it. What y'all? I'm just watching a movie. It's called
You avenged them, Harry.
Evil Never Dies.
All of them.
It's pretty good actually. So it's yeah. I have like 3 more minutes until the movie ends. Yeah. And killed it. Another one still. We have another one. It's not our neighbor. Look in.
Wait, it stopped, so it must be close by.
It's close by.
Yeah? Excuse me? Let's run.
Let's go.
Okay, ready?
Where'd it go? Down there?
I don't know.
Or just like somewhere over there or over there?
You know, forget it. I'm done.
Hey, whatever. I thought we have another accident in our neighborhood. Okay. Check this out. This has been still in my thing for about like 2 months already. It's been since October 27th. Also, this thing have been here for like October 13. But I was wondering if I could just post this. You guys want me to? Leave in the comments down below. This is a Halloween. Like this is like a you know, like a Halloween vlog. Run. Let me see here. Yeah, it's like.
The objective is to help my friends have dinner. They need to take some pumpkins home. They're hungry. So I need you to feed my friends a pumpkin.
So I think you're alright.
Well, yeah, but you're a big guy, so no cheap shots.
Okay, that's. It reaches about like freaking 24 minutes. I didn't even realize how long I vlog on this. This is when I picked up Elijah's cat. So yep. Yes, I might delete that intro, that outro. So if I have any suggestions, should I post it or should I not post it? I don't know. Okay, so I did this like couple seconds ago. Check it out. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to focus X King for Life TV. Turn the notification bell on. I'm trying to get this channel up. This is Elijah's channel. It's not H-Boy Elijah's channel. It's X King for Life TV. Make sure. I'm gonna change this one. Oh, I'm changing these two. So yeah, make sure you go and check it out. Alright, so that made it for this video, guys. We had an air raid drill, tsunami drill. What else? I got a bald haircut. It's pretty funny, but not really. What else? that might be it for this video, guys. Stay tuned for videos. Peace out, dudes. Bye. Subscribe to my channel and X King for Life TV. Peace, dudes. Bye.